Hi Chantal, hi Greg. This is the new home walk to present the bathrooms, laundry, and color adjustments for the first proposition. Let's get to it. I'm sure you are both excited to see the new designs. Come on in. Let me get the lights on. We will go straight to the kitchen for the color adjustments. Here we are. So base cabinets, including the island, is now finished in black. I also added the custom hood fan to match. Countertops are the same color since we're doing a two-tone cabinetry design. I also adjusted the color of the backsplash to a neutral white. Our next adjustment was replacing the Saybrook Sage for a more neutral option. I opted for the color Pussy Willow from Sherwin-Williams' Timeless Collection. You can get a better look of it in the living room. Let us get to the good stuff and reveal the first option for Zoe's bathroom. P.S. I do have a basic option on technical plans for the building engineer, but this one's the best. First off, I was able to make the entry door 39 inches instead of 36. 3 inches more always helps when turning corners. The custom frameless glass shower enclosure also has a 39-inch door. The curbless shower is 5 feet by 5 feet, not including that extra shelf space. The wall opposite from the shower entrance will be the placement for the linear drain. The Schluter custom base will be made to create the right slant towards the drain for water evacuation. This shower includes a full-width niche, a thermostatic shower control to maintain water temperature, and a hand shower for bathing Zoe. Above the 3 shelves, place the ventilation, and in the middle of the ceiling, we have an optional recessed rain head. Special note, if I go through the wall, the central air unit is positioned perfectly to this wall. I believe its connections are going through here. I am hoping that we can adjust the wall to gain the 3 missing inches to obtain the 5-foot wide shower. To light up the space, we have 6 4-inch recessed lights, and for the vanity, we have a singular 3-light wall fixture above the mirror. Here's my idea for the window. I recommend keeping it nice and clean by simply adding satin film to the glass. These come in rolls big enough to do several windows and can be purchased on Amazon at a budget-friendly price. Last but not least, the 27-inch wide vanity needs to be 18 inches deep so that there is no collision with the shower door. We could look at some prefabricated options online or get this custom built. Next up is the laundry room in the basement. Here's a little footnote for the ceilings. Look at Costco's for the Embassy suspended ceiling tiles. They are gorgeous. I have added them to the 3D so that you can see the result. In this design, I included a 27-inch full freezer because of the space restrictions when having an appliance placed next to the wall. If ever we need to place an existing 30-inch freezer, we will modify this concept. The lower cabinets are 36 inches top for an optimal comfort height when folding clothes. Next to this, I added a laminate countertop in a wood finish to cover the front load washer and dryer. Above, we have 18-inch deep cabinetries for laundry products. I also conserved the idea of a closet pull for delicate drying.
Look at that beautiful frame on the wall. No, just kidding. Look at the location for the toilet.
Since the cement will most likely be broken to fix the shower drain connections, let us give our new toilet a functional placement. The shower is 36 inches by 48 inches for an alcove install. This would be a budget-friendly option so that you can find the acrylic base and doors as a package deal. Here's a view of the ceiling. A total of 11 4-inch recessed lights have been placed into space. I think it looks great with those embassy tiles. I hope you do as well. We have a nice and simple vanity with a shelf above the toilet for visual balance. There is space behind that interior wall that can be used, so I opted for a mirrored recessed medicine cabinet above the vanity. Last up, we will be replacing the shelf unit with 2 tall cabinets that are 14 inches deep and can store a lot of extra goods. Best part, it's all hidden. Finally, let us go see the bathroom on the second floor. I am hoping you're going to like the black and white concept as much as me. The floor is stunning, so I had to show it off by having a floating vanity. I also opted for a larger mirrored recessed medicine cabinet with 2 sconces left and right. As you know, this bathroom is small, and we do want to conserve a bathtub for resale value. Therefore, we have the combination of a bath and shower in this space. Since our vanity design is off the floor, we will be removing the plywood to relocate. We will need to remove the drywall and hide the water connections inside. We can also achieve a farm home memoir look of the wall faucet. You can see a lovely contrast made with oversized white metro tiles and a black tile trim. White porcelain undermount lavatory matched with Silestone's iconic black by Cosentino. The alcove that was next to the bath has been closed because of the pitch in the ceiling. That space could be used in your walk-in closet, but we would need to confirm on site. However, I did use the thickness of the wall to include a niche for soap products when bathing. Since we had plenty of space next to the toilet, a full-height cabinet for linens and towels has been placed. 2 shelves above the toilet to balance the design, and a fabulous pop achieved with a black and white fern motif wallpaper. For the ceiling, we have a centered ventilation in the space. I also added 6 4-inch recessed lights. This concludes our second presentation. I'm very excited to hear your feedback. Have a great day.